Hello, everybody. I wanted to share something that I had just been messing around with today. I have been having so many issues doing Cricut stickers with Cricut, and I think I found the easiest way for me, and I would like to share that with you guys. I'm sure some of you already know this way or something similar or something just as easy. Feel free to share that in the comments below. But I am going to go ahead and show you guys. If you have Photoshop, this will be super, super, super easy. I am so excited about this. Okay, so I'm just making a sticker for one of my customers, and I uploaded it into Photoshop. The background image is erased and I just have the actual cut file. So you can use this as a cut file as is if you're cutting into vinyl or something like that. But I'm going to do a print and cut sticker, and I want it to be Cricut. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to upload the image as a layer in Photoshop. We will right click on the image in the layers tab, and we will click blending options. Once we're in blending options, we're going to go to stroke. We'll check that. And then you can change the size, increase the size until it is to your liking. So you can have it small, you can have it large. I'm going to go for around 21. That works, okay? So we'll hit OK. And then in this particular sticker, I have some layers still showing through in the middle, and I don't want that to be cut. So what I'll do is I will just take the paintbrush tool. I will make a new layer underneath, and okay, well, we'll just do that again. So we'll add a new layer. We'll drag it underneath our layer, or first layer, excuse me, and then we will just paint in the background, like so. And this will be our new Cricut sticker. You can upload it into Cricut here, and I'll show you how I did that as well. So what I did was I just uploaded the image here. So let's go ahead. I uploaded this and just did simple, continue, and I just left it. I didn't cut out anything. Okay, so I'll cancel this since I already did that. And then we'll upload it in here. And if I use a square, you could see that it's still an outline. And I just uploaded it as a print and cut image. Then I aligned them all evenly to about 6.5, under 6.5 by 9.25. And attach them. So I highlighted everything, I right clicked, and I hit attach. So you can see I can detach now. And then you go to make. It'll show the print image. You'll print it out. You put it in your Cricut, and then it'll do the rest of the magic for you. I don't know how I didn't know this before. I had been trying so many different things, taking 10,000 steps, and this is like the most simple that I can find. Also, I have another trick for you. If you, let's say we have this image, let me close this. I have this image already here, but yeah, so I'll show you here. So let's say I wanted to cut a 4x6 image around, like a 4x6 square around it. What I did was I took another shape tool and I unlocked it and made it the size that I wanted. So I did 4x6 here. Oops, not 56, 4x6. And then I just took my image and this, I just dragged it. So I sent it to the back. I dragged this on top. As you can see, I already did this here. And then what I would do is I would hold Control or Shift, click the other image, and then I would align them in center so that they line up perfectly, and then I would flatten the image, okay? And that'll be like this. And what I did was I made the back white. That way it doesn't actually print with my print and cut image. That way I can print and cut a beautiful 4x6 art print. So that is that. I hope that helps you guys. I'm sorry if I was a little bit confusing or stuttering a little bit in there. Feel free to ask any questions if I skipped over something or you don't understand something, and I will try my best to explain it in the comments. All right, guys, good luck. Happy crafting. Stay safe.